Hi guys, I'm Nivita. In this video, I'm going to teach you one problem based on linear algebra which comes in CSIR NET June 2020. Okay, which of the following real quadratic form on R square is positive definite? They are asking. Okay, so they have given the equation like q of x comma y is equal to xy, q of x comma y is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square, q of x comma y is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square, q of x comma y is equal to x square plus xy. Okay, so we have to check for positive definite. Okay, positive definite meaning suppose if you are considering a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so we are not going to do the sum in like this. I'm going to tell you one trick to solve the problem. To check for the positive definite, we should get d1 should be greater than 0 and d2 should be greater than 0, not equal to 0. Okay, so what is meant by d1 is just this element. Okay, the starting one element which is d1, and d2 means like determinant, ad minus c square. Okay, so suppose if you are considering a matrix like this, means d1 is a and d2 means ad minus c square. Okay, so both should be greater than 0, then only it will give you like positive definite. Okay, so what I'm going to take is I'm going to take the value of xy. So for the first problem, please remember this thing, xy xy. Okay, so here x square will come, here xy will come, here yx will come, here y square will come. Here I'm having xy, right? So here also xy, here also xy. So I have to put the coefficient 1 for both the things. So 1. I'm going to divide it by 2. So 1 by 2 will come, 1 by 2 will come, 0 0 here. Okay, so take that first element which is 0, which is greater than it is not greater than 0, right? It is equal to 0, so it is not a positive definite. Yeah, I told you is d1 should be greater than 0, d2 should be greater than 0. Suppose if you are considering x square minus 2xy plus y square. Okay, in this thing, put the take the coefficient of x square as 1 and put it here. Take the coefficient of y square as 1 and put it here. Take the coefficient of xy as minus 1 and divide it by 2, because we have to put the half here and half here. So minus 1 by 2 here, here. Okay, so take d1 as 1 which is greater than 0. Take d2 as determinant. So what will come? 1. Okay, minus of 1 by 4 will come. Okay, 1 minus you have to put, if you multiply you will get 1 by 4. If you take like 4 minus 1 by 4 will give you 3 by 4, which is greater than 0. So it is positive definite. When d1 and d2 both are greater than 0, obviously it is positive definite. Understood? Next I am going to consider this thing. The coefficient of x square is here, coefficient of y square here. 2xy means divided by 2. So 1 1 put it here. d1 value is 1 which is greater than 0. d2 value is 1 minus 1 which is not greater than 0. So it is not a positive definite. Okay, suppose if you consider the fourth option as x square plus xy. So x square will give you 1. Here there is no value of y square, so you have to put it here 0. The coefficient of xy is 1 divided by 2 will give you 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Understood? So d1 value is 1 which is greater than 0. d2 value is 1 minus 1 by 4 will give you minus 1 by 4 which is less than 0. It is not a positive definite. Okay, so only positive definite value is option B. Okay, so the correct answer is option B, which is very easy question. Finding the real checking whether positive definite or not through matrix. Thank you for watching.